When it comes to home entertainment, few brands have reshaped the world like Netflix. From a DVD rental service to a streaming giant, Netflix's story is full of innovation and bold risks. Netflix was founded in 1997 by Reed Hastings and Mark Randolph. It started as a DVD rental service by mail, offering a novel experience at the time with no late fees for returns. The original Netflix logo was simple, resembling a signboard. But over time, it evolved into a sleek red design with a distinctive font that is now recognized around the globe. In 2007, Netflix made a major leap by entering the world of online streaming, a move that completely transformed its business model and set the course for the future. A few years later, in 2013, the company released its first original series, House of Cards, marking the beginning of serious investment in original content that would pave the way for global success. By 2016, Netflix accelerated its international expansion, reaching over 130 countries and establishing itself as a global leader in the entertainment industry. In 2019, the company faced fierce competition with the launch of Disney+, Amazon Prime, and other streaming services, putting significant pressure on subscriber growth and retention. Despite this, Netflix continued to produce hit content including The Witcher, The Crown, Stranger Things, as well as films like Roma, Red Notice, and Bird Box. 2021 brought another milestone with the Korean series Squid Game breaking global records, being watched by over 142 million households in just 1 month, demonstrating the power of Netflix's non-English content. However, success did not eliminate challenges. In the first quarter of 2022, Netflix saw its subscriber base decline by around 200,000 for the first time in a decade, and its stock value dropped by 26%, creating significant pressure on cash flow and the management of large-scale content investments. Rising production costs and subscription prices, coupled with changing audience behavior, seeking more choice and faster consumption of content, posed financial challenges and increased the need for constant innovation. Internal and legal issues, including corporate disputes and tax concerns, added further pressure. Despite all these obstacles, Netflix has managed to maintain its position as a powerful global brand through innovation, compelling content, and strategic management, continuing to engage audiences worldwide. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more brand stories.